Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Replit AI Agent step by step. If you want help building apps, writing code, fixing errors, or learning programming faster, Replit AI Agent can make the process much easier. First, open Replit and sign in to your account. Then create a new project or open an existing one. Once the workspace loads, look for the AI Agent panel in the sidebar. Now describe what you want to build using plain English. For example, you can ask the AI to create a website, chatbot, calculator, or simple game. The AI will generate code, files, and project structure automatically. After the code is created, review everything carefully and click Run to test the project. If you see any errors, copy the error message and ask the AI agent to explain or fix it. You can also use the AI to generate new features, improve designs, optimize code, and explain programming concepts. So it's useful for both beginners and experienced developers. For the best results, write clear and detailed prompts. The more specific your instructions are, the better the generated code will be. And that's basically how to use Replit AI Agent. With a little practice, you can build projects much faster and get coding help directly inside Replit.